Hey guys, Mads from Leaf Outdoors. Today we're going on a small adventure in a place that's, in my opinion, one of the most beautiful places in the small kingdom of Denmark. I'll be testing the ESEE JG3 on a one-day trip to see how it holds up and to see if it will fit my leaf kit. I'll be hiking, setting up camp, doing some small bushcraft chores and just having a great time, relaxing and taking a mental break from society. Let's go have some fun, test the knife and just enjoy life. I'll see you at the camp, guys. Whoever said being a YouTuber isn't a dangerous hobby, they're lying. My God. Look at the water, how clear it is. Should have brought my fishing rod. Let's find a good location to set up camp. I would say this is a pretty decent spot to set up my small camp. I could use this as a backrest. And then I just have my small sitting pad. The knife I'll be putting to the test today in my leaf truss core is this ESEE knife. I bought this a few months ago, secondhand from a private seller. I paid right around $70. As far as I can see, these goes for approximately $200 retail. If this holds up, I think I made a pretty sweet deal. But let's put this to the test and see how it goes. On my trips, I always bring these Velcro belts. The knife has this small belt loop and I'm going to put it in. Just like that. I brought my backhoe folding saw. I'll just cut a piece of this so I can use this for baton when I'm testing out the knife. Let's head to the forest and see how it does at collecting some smaller pieces of kindling. There's a dead oak tree here. Let's see how it does on the smaller branches. Let's try a bigger one. So, a fairly big branch. It was actually quite decent at chopping. The handle is a bit small. Had to choke up on it to get some power out of the knife, but it was sharp and it did the work. For those of you who know, oak tree, this is a hardwood, and yeah, I actually think it did quite well. But let's take this branch back to the camp and try and process it up. I wouldn't say what I'm doing right now is recommendable. The task at hand maybe is a bit larger than a small knife like this would usually be used for. But I'm out here testing if this holds and how good it is. So we'll be trying to batoning some wood. Okay, that was easier than expected. And still no chips. Let's try one that's a bit thicker. Look at this cut. Pretty clean, pretty impressive. So just for the fun of it, let's try and do this. Yeah, this is a big piece. Let's see how it does. Guys, this is, yeah, in my opinion, pretty impressive. And still no chips. Also sharp enough and capable of doing feather sticks. So batoning, carving, no problem at all. Let's try and cut some paracord. As I told you earlier, I bought this knife used, so I wouldn't be able to tell or say how sharp this is out of the box, but it cuts paracord pretty efficiently, so it's quite sharp. I think I could touch this up a bit to get it even sharper, but it's fairly sharp as it came. As always, I brought my leaf kit today, and for those of you who follow the channel, you know that my go-to is ramen noodles. So I'll be cooking them with some different spices, some tomatoes and some Italian sausage. Today I brought a new stove. It's the Bushcraft Essential Bush Box, or whatever you like to call it. I've been trying these out on a few trips, and I really like it. I'll be reviewing this in an upcoming video. But let's see how the knife does with some finer slicing. Yeah, we have a bit of edge where it's not cutting as well in the tomatoes, but it does the job. Yeah, we have a boil. Those of you who've been here before, you know that this is not just about gear review. This is about these trips, these micro adventures. When I'm out here, I lose all sense of time. I'm just here being present with me and with nature. To me, this is the greatest way of relaxing and taking these mental breaks. Find something you love, something that calms your mind, and go out and do it. Like I said before, it doesn't have to be every day, it doesn't have to be long trips. This is one day trip for me, and usually I just go for a few hours. But the reward when I get home is way bigger than the efforts of getting here. There's a lot of talk about mental illness in the world, and I think nature is the best medicine. I'm no doctor. This is just what works for me. And I hope you find something that works for you too. So guys, let's get to the scores of this knife. In durability, I give this 19 points. This took a beating and it held up with no problems. No edge wear, no tip wear. The spine is fine, the handle is good. Everything seems to be in order. So 19 points. In ease of use, I will give this 15. This is a medium-sized knife. To me, I would have loved a bit bigger handle on this portion. I think I'll be trying to improvise with the snake knot here to make this portion wider, so when I'm holding it, it gets me a better grip. Functionality, I give this 16 points. This is a great small knife that can be used for a lot of different tasks when you're outside, like me today. Whether it's a bushcraft trip, hiking, camping, or whatever. Weight and pack, I give this 18 points. This is a pretty lightweight knife, but it still has some weight to it, so it feels good in hand. It does not feel flimsy or easy to break or anything like that. It comes with a good spine, and I like that with a knife. And it's also a full tang. And in the last category, value, I give this 18 points. I paid just around $78 and it retails $200. But I actually think $200 for a knife in this quality with a custom sheath is a pretty good deal. It's an expensive knife at $200, but the quality is there, and the feel to the knife is really, really good. So all in all, this scored 86 points. That does not only mean it's leaf approved, it's also approved for my personalized leaf kit. And I'm actually thinking switching this up with my ESEE JG3 that I'm using right now. This is a really, really great knife. High quality, good handles, a great size, at least for me and what I do when I'm outside. So I think this will be going to my personal leaf kit for now. I'm Mads, this is Leaf Outdoors. I hope you have a great day, and then I'll see you in the next one. Packed, used, proven. Leaf Outdoors, signing out. See you guys. If you enjoy honest outdoor gear reviews, practical outdoor skills and real adventures, I'd love to have you along for the journey. Subscribe and I'll see you on the next adventure. This is Leaf Outdoors, signing out.